Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best light stands that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Light Stands. No matter you do photography or videography, you will need lighting no matter day or night. Because if you don't have enough lighting, a very high quality outcome. Light is very important in photography career besides the concept of doing so. Moreover, lighting could make up everything to be as good as it could. Lighting is very important to retouch the skin and the face of models. Number 5. Leofa's Heavy Duty Air Cushioned Aluminum Light Stand. It is also of lightweight, only 2.3 kilograms, and can be folds down to 42-inch for storage and transport, making it portable and easy to store after use. Main features: secure locking mechanism, adjustable height, compact design. Number 4. 10 inches ring light with 50 inches extendable tripod stand. It's quite lightweight yet sturdy. It takes only a moment to open it and a couple of minutes to attach the light, the phone holder. Main features: high brightness and clever touch control, wireless remote shutter, versatile accessories. Number 3. Newer light stands 10 feet/3 meters. The tripod stand is designed with all-metal rotary adjustment and locking knob for easy adjustment and locking. Screw increase the expandability and adaptability of the light stands. Main features: heavy-duty stand bags, sturdy and durable, wide application. Number 2. Cowboy Studio 9 feet black light stand. The first in our line of supersized stands, the 8-foot 806 give you new dimensions of height, strength, and technology. This stand gives you some extra security. Main features: made from aluminum alloy. 1-year manufacturer warranty. Height is adjustable. Number 1. Rivelli ABSL Photo Video Backdrop Stand. The tripod stands have been designed with air cushioned shocks to provide smooth and safe adjustments. The adapter is also machined with 2 indentions to securely. Main features: molded aluminum construction, air cushion stands, 3 crossbar sections. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.